Welcome to GIJO Gadgets YouTube channel. Once again, today I will show you and share with you this Skyzone FPV goggle. So actually it's not mine, it's from a customer who lent it to me for the video. Okay, so this is Skyzone SKY03O. Okay, it's a beautiful camouflage color. It's really nice. This is a new unit. Okay, the color is nice. So Skyzone 03O. Okay, so the resolution for this is 1024 x 768. Okay, and the FOV angle is 35 degree. Okay, as you can see, this one is still new, it's not been fixed yet. It's nice. Okay, the aspect ratio for this is 4:3. Okay, this FPV goggle comes with built-in 5.8 gig diversity receiver module. It supports up to 48 channel in 6 band, including race band. Okay, and there's an on-screen RSSI indicator also. Okay, and this unit it came with built-in fan for defogging and cooling, and the fan is adjustable speed. Okay, it's also available in the RF available in normal mode and also racing mode, and also there's HDMI in, USB port, and also there's a DVR which you can record the footage of your flying of your FPV and also playback, and also there's a AV in and AV out also. Wow, cool. Okay, and then this one with support head tracking. See, so support head tracking. Okay, and this is a power input. So there's a few buttons. Of course, it's hard to see. Okay, you got record, mode, search, band, channel, and track. Okay, so let's just power up. The input voltage for this is support from 2S to 6S LiPo battery, or 7 volt to 26 volt. Okay, so I'm using this LiPo battery is a 2S 7.4. Okay, so I'll just try to power up just to see. Okay, there we go. Okay, not sure if you can see this inside. Whoa. Okay, so probably I just connect one of the FPV camera. I'm using this Tiny Hawk 2 just to catch the FPV. Okay, let's see. Yep, let me put on and try it. Aha, yes, you can actually see. Let me just try to show you if you can see through the camera. Okay, woohoo, not that easy actually. Let me get the angle. Wait, let me try to get the angle. Whoa, not easy, not easy. That's it. Okay, fine. See? That's my PC. Okay, so that's a Skyzone case. It's not that heavy, pretty light. Okay, I better dismantle first. So that's it. Quite well designed. When you wear on it, you're gonna look like army. Okay, so I just turn it off. The button power on off is here. So I turn it off. Okay, it's turned off. And I unplug. So That's it. I'm going to share. Okay, just a short one. Thank you for watching.